Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your tablet or phone accepts active USB-C pens or supports HID over USB. Once done, inspect the pencil for a charged battery, secure tip, and any visible firmware markings so you know what model you have. Plug a known good USB-C cable directly between pencil and device. Make sure the connector seats fully. If pairing is required, follow device prompts. These immediate actions get you into the interactive state quickly and reliably. Once connected, open your device's input settings or your drawing app to enable and configure stylus features. You control pressure sensitivity, tilt behavior, and palm rejection there. Calibrate the tip by using the provided tool or app calibration screen to align cursor and reduce parallax. This improves accuracy and cuts down on latency. If lines feel too soft or scratchy, replace the nib with a firmer or softer tip depending on the surface. Make sure to save profiles so your settings persist across sessions. You finish by testing writing, hovering, and any shortcut buttons to confirm behavior. Map buttons to common actions for speed. If the pencil drifts, disconnect, restart the device, and try another high-quality USB-C cable. Make sure both device and pencil firmware are up to date, and then redo calibration. As a troubleshooting tip, if nothing registers, perform a soft reset of the pencil and check for a hardware switch or hidden pairing mode. This resolves most connection and responsiveness problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.